The heart and soul of any Choctaw social dance group is the chanter. They take on an integral role as the vocal leader of the group, whose tone and cadence guide the movements of the dancers throughout their performance. Chanters take on their role as tradition bearers, taking the legacy left to them by others. The three forms of traditional Choctaw dances are the social, animal, and war. Some of the traditional chants sung during these dances exclusively use vocables, while other chants incorporate Choctaw words and phrases within them. Past generations produced great chanters in the likes of Prentice Jackson, John Levi Bell, Tony Williams, and Beeman Charlie, to name a few. These men left lasting influences to draw from. Bobby Joe was born and raised in the Bokchido community. He credits his knowledge and cultural customs to his parents, Henry and Effie Joe. From hunting small game with rabbit sticks to conducting traditional Choctaw wedding ceremonies, his love for chanting is most apparent. Bobby came into his own as a chanter in his 40s when he was asked to chant for a group in the early 1990s. This group performed throughout the state of Mississippi, Alabama, and Tennessee. His father, Henry Joe, also a chanter, and Prentice Jackson were instrumental in teaching him. Bobby Joe explains to interviewer Melford Favre how his opportunity to chant first came about. Due to his health, Bobby has not chanted publicly for several years, but his passion for Choctaw chants is still strong.
This year, mi pesa sonna kanime latiba. Ocho mega togo, amocho watogos. Mi pesa sonna kanime lat, ina kadikana kipi. Ugula michi marwa iba kinye goto. Ina ma shome. Pi kana data aneumes. Luxi ta ula kupete urana yuva. Ikana fala de kana sona jattale. Atu mega togo yumo. Fala de kana legwa atu wane gwa. Fala ma ni ta lo wala ahane di yumo. Ima
From the upbeat sound of the four-step war dance to the somber tone of the walk dance, the chanters of today continue the tradition that was set before them from voices past.